Hello friends, if you are a student, housewife, retired person or you are doing a job or business and searching for an online non-investment part-time work where you don't need to quit your existing work, then this video is absolutely for you. Watch this video till the end. In this video, I am gonna explain you how you can make 300 to 2000 rupees per day. I will explain you step by step everything and I will also show you payment proofs and team testimonials. So stay tuned, watch this video till the end. But guys, I wanna make it very clear in the beginning that I need only serious people. If you are ready to give your 2 hours daily to this work, then I can guide you to start. So, what is the work and what you have to do? This is account opening work where you have to open demate accounts. And on each demate account opening, you will get the commission of 300 to 600 rupees. And there will be no any registration charges, no processing fees or any kind of investment to open an account. Just some required document will be needed like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your age should be 18. Now, if you don't know about demate accounts, what are the uses of it? Demat account is same like our saving account. Like in saving account, we use it to do cash deposit and transactions. Through Demat account, we can do trading, investment in stock market, mutual fund, SIP, etc. But don't worry, you don't need to do any investment in any stock or mutual fund. You just have to work as an account opener for the company. Now, is there any charges to open an account? No, there will be no any charges, no any registration fees, no any processing fees for opening an account. All you need is some required document like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your age should be 18 plus. Now, in which company we have to open accounts? So we run the campaign of multiple companies like ICICI, Upstock, Reliance, Angel Broking, HDFC, etc. Offers keep changing frequently, so we will update you once you start with us. Now you might be thinking what is the process of opening an account and how I will get people to open an account. All the account opening process and lead generation process will be explained to you step by step. You just have to give 2 hours daily. Follow the strategy. We will explain you in the training. Once you complete the training videos and start following, you will be able to get 5 to 10 accounts daily. Now the most important part, how you will get paid. So payment will be on daily mode or next day mode. Let's suppose you have opened 5 accounts in Angel Broking and you got all the login credential. Then all those 5 account payment will be done either on same night or next day morning. There will be no any issue for payment. Don't worry about that. And you can take via any mode like UPI, PayPal, Paytm, whatever mode is showing on the screen. Now the most important concern you would have in your mind. What is the authenticity of the work and what are the proofs of legality and also payment proofs? So whatever account you will be opening are government approved, registered on BSC, NSC and being regulated by SEBI. So it's a legit work. You have got Google in your hand. You can do research on it as well. Now let me share some of my payout proofs and some of my team testimonial with you guys. So you can see here these are some of my team testimonial screenshots. There are endless number of screenshots. I have taken some of these. Here I can zoom it for you guys. There are endless number of screenshots. I'm just showing you some of them. This is the payment from ICICI. You can see here credited 1000. Here you can see what Pransu has to say. बस आप जैसे लोग हो तो काम करने में अच्छा लगता है. So these are some of the, you can see here, Manisha has made 3000 3000 rupees in just one day. Here you can see started yesterday and received today. She's doing really great. Also you can see there are so many screenshots I have, endless number. Now as you see right now that there are so many people are earning from that. Now hope you have understood, sorry, hope you have understood basically what is the work. If you are interested, message me on WhatsApp right now. The number is given on the screen or you will get in the description box also. So if you have any confusion or you have not understand, you have to just message me on WhatsApp. I will explain you all the details and everything. I will explain you all the registration process to start the work. Okay. And yes, don't message me if someone has sent you this presentation. Message them, they will guide you. All right, hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. I will be keep updating you time to time with another free ways to make money online. So I'm Vikas Anand. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day ahead.